Parjanailing Yakwe, Tolagway, Etolocal Bar, Gualacamubanado on YouTube, Ak, Elagumpo Bao, More, Kin, Jerbal and Rikaki in school, and Butterwent Rikadak in school. What's up? Ayor Juan Kajale, Ikanan, Gualanan Gom, Kinau Jerbal in Jumbo Nan Barcelona, Kin Juan Conference, Kin, Kajinko, it's on minoritized languages in what ilo America ala parmi tres kunono ilo kajin pele ak elangarmi tres kunono ilo ayer kajin in what kajin majo ak kajin Philippine ak kajin Spain ak jabruat in ilo conference in army tres kunono kin wawen ko demarong kakasolo kajin ko in ilo conference in yar lomanak ken wawan morong sherry tibang grote in ayer kada kajin majo yar lolok set website ko boy isbedori ilo Washington DC boy morong tibang family wow oh yeah, doing good news sister Yao Barjuan emotion Barjuan nation anyway so yar book to one website and what www.itaki.com emorong tutor kada kin kajin majo ilo awinin islomanak emorong book tian boyen kalai wonen ajamajam. So pretty exciting news. I'm really excited about it. Ow! Hopefully people will be interested. And then also in Jumbo Lokman, Arkansas, ilo August kunono Cherbalipin Rimajoro Bue Ramarong Kalakaji Majol EJ in Barowent ow! Ipin Rikaki and Rimajol Reschool in Reschool Ro ilo Arkansas Kin Kaji Majol Baro Ipin Rikada Grow maybe Parsons Hill Elementary School or something. Mogala Yisro Kin Yerendok on school. So very exciting. Sorry it's been so long, but lots of good stuff's been going on. The conference in Barcelona was really exciting and really inspirational, talking to so many people who are all working to promote language use in minority languages and to revitalize lesser spoken languages also. And really excited about the possibility of at least being able to reach more people who are interested in learning Marshallese. And I'm still ever optimistic that we'll get some good language classes going in Arkansas. So this summer should be exciting too. I get to, I'll be able to visit some old friends, but also be able to work with ACOM and people interested in teaching their own language, and also with teachers of Springdale Public Schools, and I'll be there for the first week of school too, so maybe with some students and parents. Also, oh yeah, I finished the third collection of short stories and poems for Ajamjam, and while I'm in Arkansas, I'll be getting things ready for the fourth one. So if you have any interesting stories, poems, songs that can be written down as poems, I would love them for the next collection, okay?